The murder accused are Mulford Richter, Hans Boys, Elrico Nicodemus, Edwin Kanangure, Ramon Dirkse, Desmond Jimmy, and Llewellyn Dreyer. The fatal stabbing happened at the Keetmanshoop State Hospital in 2017 after a street fight in Seiplak, the residential area. Oarum testified the fight started after he witnessed Kanangure pulling something from the back pocket of his trouser and raising his hand, prompting the victim to headbutt him in the face and fell to the ground. He then stepped in between Kanangure and Jansen in an attempt to break up the fight, but moments later he saw several men rushing towards them. Among the group of men, Oarum testified, was Boys, whom he claimed was armed with an open knife, and Nicodemus. Oarum claimed while he was attempting to break up the fight, he was hit with a beer bottle in his face, resulting in a fractured nose. He was then taken to the hospital for medical treatment. Moments later, he noticed the arrival of the accused and Jansen at the hospital in two vehicles. He also testified seeing Richter and Boys chasing the now deceased around the vehicle, while others rushed to the hospital's entrance, prompting him to run into one of the hospital's rooms for safety. Some of the accused tried to open it with no success. Oarum told the court he heard voices of one of the state witnesses and the deceased outside in the corridor while still in the room, and when he opened the door to look, he saw Boys stabbing Jansen with a long knife. At that point, said Oarum, Richter walked away from the deceased. He told the court the chaos subsided when police arrived at the hospital. Lawyer Linus Samaria, representing Richter, disputed Oarum's testimony, suggesting he did not witness the stabbing incident as he claimed. One of the defense lawyers, Eddie Kawana, also accused Oarum of fabricating his testimony, saying his client Boys never stabbed Jansen. Another lawyer, Verinao Kamahene, also dismissed Oarum's testimony, saying it is misleading the court. The defense counsels also pointed out discrepancies between Oarum's evidence in chief and his police affidavit. State Prosecutor Abel Manyando prosecuted. The murder trial is scheduled to continue from 2nd to 6 March 2026. Lukman Klute, NBC News, Keetmanshoop.